Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezulu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Example of it is when the Prim of Gauteng, with a good intention to fight crime in the province of Gauteng, but they started a unit that by law should not exist. The Mapanya Panya that is famous. I raised that at the POC. Then I said, this is illegal. It's against the law. The Premier must be advised. He's got good intentions, but it cannot be done. The law doesn't allow it. The very same senior managers in the police says, no, just leave the Premier alone. We like this proposal. The following POC, legal services came up with a presentation, and they argued the same thing that I argued. Legal services. They presented that which is done in Gauteng, it's against the law. It should not be allowed. So this was when there was an engagement at the executive authority between the minister and the Premier at the time. But already these members were trained, and they were said to be part of the provincial law enforcement structure. So my argument in the BOC and the support from legal services was not taken serious at the BOC. So they continue with the training. But because legal services had already taken note of it, they went to the minister, said, the minister, you cannot sign this off. It's against the law. Obvious, the Premier and Gauteng one was not very pleased when the minister clearly didn't want to sign that. And as a result, to date, that unit, those group of members could not be incorporated into the Police Act as a result. So they are still there in Gauteng. I'm not sure whether they are enforcing the law or what they're doing in Gauteng, but legally they're not supposed to be there.
Ithi nguphi context ukuze wazi ukuthi le nkulumo isukaphi. Kukhona into ekuthiwa i-Board of Commissioners noma i-PMC okuwumhlangano lapho kuhlangana khona o-provincial commissioners bebodwa badinga indaba ezithize. Ngakho la uGeneral Mkhwanazi wayebuzwa ukuthi lama issues lawa owaraise kwi-conference obena ngomhla ka6 ubungeke uwaraise na kwi-BMC kwi-Board of Commissioners lapho ningo commissioner nihlangene niphethe amaphoyisa nidingide lolu daba. Wayesethi uyenzeka ku-BMC uraise into right kodwa i-majority vote against iphuzu lakho, so isidingo sokuthi azihluphe nge-BMC besingekho ngoba uyazi ukuthi udila nabantu abanjani. Bekungenzeka bavote against lento abekayisho nama-cartel nanani ngoba labantu okukhulunywa ngabo siyazi ukuthi basebenzisana nezikhulu emaphoyiseni, so bebezohlukana phakathi mhlambe bezomhlola ivote. So into elula kwawunguthi akenze media briefing. Wayesekhuluma ke ngalamaphoyisa lawa ama-traffic wardens lawa kaPanyaza ukuthi the Premier had good intentions but awekho esemthethweni. Emveni kwale nkulumo kaGeneral Mkhwanazi uPanyaza Lesufi wabiza i-media briefing wathi in 6 months time uzowadissolve amaPanyaza. Washo njalo impela wathi uzowadissolve amaPanyaza. Ngisakhumbula kahle ukuthi liphi iqembu lezepolitiki elahamba la ufaka i-complaint ngamaPanyaza kwi-public protector. I-report ye-public protector yathi kufanele uhulumeni awukhanda umthetho, funeka akhanda umthetho uhulumeni ozokwenza ukuthi amaPanyaza besemthethweni. Wayesethi uPanyaza cha akasawa disbandi amalokhuzana amaPanyaza kunalokho laba baphethe abawukhanda umthetho ukuze abesemthethweni ngoba ukuba khona kwawo kuyawalekelela amaphoyisa ekulweni nobugebengu. Okwesibili kukhanda imisebenzi. Yabona ke masikhuluma iqiniso, uPanyaza unawo amaplan emsebenzi, unawo ngempela. Uyabona mongaqhathanisa yena noRamaphosa, mangafika uPanyaza ethi sizokhanda amathuba emisebenzi la, bese kufika uRamaphosa athi zokhanda amathuba emisebenzi, ngamthemba uPanyaza, ngamnikeza uPanyaza 50% ngoba wona lamaPanyaza awekho semthethweni kodwa khona amakhaya ondlekayo. Kunabantu abaphilayo namhlanje makubalwa izinga le unemployment rate elehlile kubalwa nabo labantu abaqashwe upanyaza noma engakwenzanga ngomthetho. Indaba ezinhleke ukuthi sekusemthethweni manje uminister umama uMamoloko Kupayi ophethe justice ukhulume kanje.
The Gauteng Crime Prevention Warders, commonly known as Amapanyapanya, as peace officers in terms of Section 334 of the Criminal Procedure Act 1977. You would be remembering that last year the Public Protector Advocate Galeka released a report on the issue, which was issued on the 22nd of October 2025, following an investigation as a result of a complaint lodged on 27 September 2023 by Advocate Paul Hoffman, Director of Accountability Now, which related to the allegation concerning the establishment, appointment, and deployment of crime prevention warders within the Gauteng provincial government, and as well by the Gauteng provincial government. The public protector found that the establishment, appointment, and deployment of traffic warders were not underpinned by an appropriate legislative framework, providing guidance on the category of officers, their appointment, training powers, and functions. As a result, remedial actions were directed to the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, to the Minister of Police, and to the Premier of Gauteng to take the necessary steps to assist and support one another to ensure that any continued utilization of these officials is done in a lawful manner. The remedial action was to be implemented within 30 days of receipt of the report, and unfortunately, we were unable to meet the deadline. However, our technical teams have been engaging together, working as a collective within an intergovernmental process, but as well engaging with the public protector officials to report on progress, the work that was done. As the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, I then convened a meeting between myself and the Department of Police led by Minister Kachalia, Gauteng Province led by Premier Lesufi, which involved the Department of Safety, but also were joined by MEC Mamabolo in that, on the 20th of January 2026. We discussed the implementation plan of the remedial action arising from the public protector's findings, and also looked at how we can practically ensure that we are operating within a correct legal framework. That meeting resolved that Section 3A, subsection 1B of the National Road Traffic Act is the appropriate legislation framework for the appointment of the traffic warders. It was further agreed that the notice to declare these wardens as peace officers must be aligned with the functions and duties of the traffic warders as provided for in the National Road Traffic Act and its regulations. The Department of Justice, following this meeting, received a revised request from the Office of the Premier dated 21 January 2026, requesting the Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development to declare Gauteng Crime Prevention Warders as peace officers in terms of Section 334 of the Criminal Procedure Act 1977.
Usechazile kuminister ngale nje kokubambelela ngizocaphuna manje uminister wamaphoyisa Professor Feroz Kachale siza ukuthi yena uthini bese emveni kwalapho sicaphuna uPanyaza siva le video. Kodwa nje ngikuncomayo mina ukuthi noma kungenzeka ngomthetho kodwa babonile ukuthi kukhona la lo sizwa khona. Okwesibili, kunabantu akuthiwa bawu 9000 lama traffic wardens bayiphelele kuthiwa u9000. Awucabange ukuthiwa lento ayikho semthethweni ayihlakazi vele iyekwe. 9000 yabantu abezophelelwa emsebenzi, how about imindeni abayondlayo? So kuhle khona ukuthi kubhekwe inhloso. uPanyaza had good intentions, okay, wenza lento noma ningekho semthethweni kodwa ayilungiswe phela ukuze ibe semthethweni iqhubeke nokuba usizo ngoba iwusizo yona lento noma ingesilusizo 100% ngoba afika ajoin umkhubo wenziwayo wona lamapanyaza. Uyabona nje abokufika lapha eGoli bayazi ukuthi maye kubamba njike khona ukhiphe lo mali leyo wakudedela uqhubeke kuhambe mangaba unayo passport. Asiyeke lo ndaba leyo sikhulumele ngicela uzwele.
To be here when this important announcement is being made. So today marks a significant milestone in the strengthening of law enforcement capacity and improving coordination within the Justice, Crime Prevention and Security Cluster. As mentioned by the Minister, we are here to announce that the Gauteng traffic wardens will be declared peace officers in line with the applicable legislative framework of the Republic of South Africa. This declaration follows extensive consultations and careful consideration of all the legal mandates governing the appointment and designation of peace officers. The Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, the South African Police Service, the Civilian Secretariat of the Police Service, the Road Traffic Management Corporation, the RTMC, as well as the Gauteng Provincial Government, worked jointly on ensuring that we are here today over a long period of time to overcome initial obstacles. The Gauteng traffic officers, wardens, who will now be declared peace officers today, have undergone the necessary training and assessment. And so that's important. It means that they can be deployed effectively to carry out their responsibilities. They have been found to be competent, capable, and are therefore adequately prepared to execute their duties within the scope of the law. Their training equips them to support law enforcement efforts while respecting human rights, due process, and the rule of law. The designation of traffic wardens as peace officers will enhance their ability to perform specific law enforcement functions, particularly in relation to road safety, traffic-related offences, and crime prevention support, including deployment, as the Premier was explaining to me, at sports events, for instance. This will contribute to more effective policing, improve compliance with the law, and safer community.
Caphuna manje upanyaza siza ukuthi uyena uthini kodwa nje mina engikubongayo ukuthi bayilandela umyalelo wepublic protector ngoba ukube bekuphethe omunye umuntu noma ukube bekuphethe mina bekuyonela ekuthiwa nje awu operator kwawa akukho semthethweni benyotha wahlakazwe ngalo lelo suku bengangizicabange zonke lezi zinto ukuthi hayibo ayalekelela amaphoyisa. Oh, okay, noma walekelela amaphoyisa kukhona la siza khona. What was the intention? Oh, intention be good. He had good intentions ngalento. Oh, okay, futhi lento resolve issue and employment. Kodwa kube ngabanye abafana nami ngabe sathi ngalelo la ayihlakazwe ukube nje sasothi ayihlakazwe ngalelo la futhi uma khona ufuneka jeze bese uthi upanyaza kajeze ngokuba wenza into engekho semthethweni kodwa ngokuyalelwa imithetho ephethe South Africa bathi ke awenziwe ukuthi abe semthethweni. Sibonga ukuthi sezenziwa manje abasemthethweni nabo noma behamba emgwaqweni bazozazi ukuthi bayasebenza ngoba egcineni kosuku akukhathalekile ukuthi wenza umsebenzi muni awukho futhi umsebenzi ongabalekile. Sizopanyaza uthini.
Trained people to utilize these drones so that when law enforcement agencies enter an area, they can know the area that they're entering with the support of the footage from the drones. We remain the only province that have provided this kind of support to law enforcement agencies. It was within that context that we felt we can't only give aerial support, we also need to give ground support. So that law enforcement agencies, if they want to know what is happening in each and every ward in our province, they can make contact with ground forces. It was within that context that we recruited 9,400 young people that were unemployed to be our traffic wardens. Of the 9,400, almost 2,900 were unemployed soldiers that were part of military arms of Umkhonto weSizwe, Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania, and many political parties, thus taking them out of poverty to be part of these law enforcement agencies. Fifthly, we felt that we also need to ensure that when crime occurs, there is no municipality that can say this crime is happening in Midvaal or in Murafong, I'm in Ekurhuleni, it's none of my business. We started a very important process, Minister Kubai and Minister Kachalia, to ensure that each and every municipality pass a resolution in a council meeting to integrate all traffic departments of all municipalities in Gauteng to be under the direct command of the SAPS. Every Tuesday, we'll bring all these resources. That's dogs, that's cars, that's hippos. All these resources have been pulled together to support the SAPS. We also introduced the panic button, especially for women, so that when they are attacked.
Ukuzuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulolu daba esilixoxayo. La ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo kodwa eqinisweni lelonke uPanyaza ubetter than uRamaphosa. Mangathiwa nje asibale singabala into eziningi kakhulu. Even nalento abo teachers assistants amaplan wakhe uPanyaza uyeza nawo wonke lamaplan esaphethe kwa education. Lento nje ama teachers assistants amaplan kaPanyaza ngazo sikhathi wayesaphethe education ezana lawo maplan. So uyindoda enamasu kakhulu. Ingakho ngithi nje mongabeka yena noRamaphosa mina ngakutshela ukuthi ngingamthemba mina uPanyaza ngoba sengike ngambona. Kodwa ke singabantu asibona ngokufana mhlawumbe unibona indlela ehlukile. Cela ukuzuphala kwakho. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.